Hi, my name is Luvo Mnyobe. I am the Transformation and Activism Rep at Joe's Global House here at Joe's University. I am also a second year Bachelor of Journalism student. Now, I think some of the biggest challenges facing the SADC region, but in particular South Africa, are issues of a high unemployment, where we have almost 3.3 million young people who are struggling to find work. And just last week, we also had the South African Human Rights Commission releasing its report into poverty in South Africa. And even there, we can get to see that poverty is very much divided along racialized lines as a result of our history with apartheid and colonialism. And now the report says 64% of black people are living under poverty, whereas 1% under 1% of white people living under poverty. Now, those are problems that I think challenge us as young people, and those that we have to then resolve ourselves. Now, the other issue is that of, in the region, rather in Africa, of anti-queer laws and generally just violence against queer people, even in countries such as South Africa, where we have gay-friendly rights and a constitution that really protects everyone. We still get to see cases of queer people being attacked, particularly women who are queer, being victims to issues such as corrective rape and such. Now, the other issue related to that is that of violence against women and children. In South Africa, we have the femicide rate, which stands at like almost 5 times the global average. So those are really the issues that are facing our generation and our countries. Now, what ethical leadership means to me is ethical leadership means that as a leader, ethical and transformational leadership means to me is that as a leader, you remain principled, right? Driven by values such as justice. So when fighting against anti-queerness, you really remain principled to that, and you don't move, even though the majority of people might not be in support of that. And the unique perspective that I bring to leadership is that of creating dialogue, because in journalism that's really what we encourage to do, to create some a debate and that sort of thing. And my personal leadership has impacted in my community in very great ways, where in high school a lot of students were denied access to writing exams as a result of the way their hair is shaped, which is really just unconstitutional through school policies, right? So we took a stand and we said, no, we are going to write our exams regardless of what the school's policy says, because this is our constitutionally protected right.